Welcome back. Today we are going to make Kohi Kori. Kohi Kori is a Japanese word for iced coffee, but what's so special about this drink is that you don't make use of regular ice, but you make ice out of coffee. Then you pour warm milk over it just to make sure that the ice melts immediately. For today's recipe of Kohi Kori, I am going to use the coffee brewed from my Moka Pot. Now this is a 4-cup Moka Pot, and I'm going to use the maximum capacity for this brew, and then I'm going to freeze the brewed coffee overnight and then use that as ice for my Kohi Kori. So it's going to be quite concentrated. If you have a French press, you can also use the coffee brewed from the French press. You can also make cold brew. You can also use espresso shots, maybe make them a lungo and then freeze them so that you can use the iced coffee. I'm going to make 2 different flavors of Kohi Kori. One is vanilla and the other one is honey. For my coffee brew, I'm going to use my house blend. This is 100% Arabica medium roast. I would suggest that if you're making Kohi Kori, you should use darker roast coffee or stronger blend of coffee. Let's start making our coffee using the Moka Pot. Let it cool down, place them in their molds. And then keep them in the freezer. For the drinks, I'm going to make use of my special cups here. These are 6 ounces and it's going to be concentrated, just a little bit of milk and that concentrated coffee brew. We need milk, so you can use any milk of choice. So I'm going to use the microwave to warm my milk. So for those at home, it is quite simple to make. You just have to always freeze your leftover coffee, especially if you're using the Moka Pot. Sometimes you use a big Moka Pot and there's only 1 of you or 2 of you, so always freeze the leftover coffee and you can use it for Kohi Kori. As we are waiting for our milk to warm, I would suggest that you take out your ice balls from the freezer, run tap water at the bottom, and then you should be able to take out the balls, the coffee balls, from your molds. So what I'm going to do is to put them into my 2 cups here because I'm making 2 different flavors. Okay, so there you go. I'm going to put 1 of the balls in there and then the other one here. So remember that I use a 4-cup Moka Pot here. I would say that each one of these balls is about 75 grams of brewed coffee, quite concentrated. So my milk is now warm. This is a vanilla Kohi Kori. I'm going to put 1 pump or about 1 teaspoon of my vanilla syrup. And then I'm going to now pour my milk here. You don't have to fill it to the top. So there you go. This is going to be a concentrated vanilla Kohi Kori. And then I'm going to just add cinnamon there. For the second one, I'm going to make this into a honey Kohi Kori. So this time I'm going to use honey for my sweetener. You can use sugar syrup as well. So just about 1 teaspoon. So if you need to measure it, use 1 teaspoon of honey, which is about 5 milliliters. Okay, just pour it over your ice bowl. Okay, and then once again I am going to pour my warm milk over. And this is my honey cinnamon Kohi Kori. Okay, 2 Kohi Kori flavors using honey and vanilla with cinnamon. The idea is that as you keep drinking it, the coffee, the taste of your drink is also strong. It doesn't dilute the drink with water. The use of cinnamon stick here is also very good. It serves as a stirrer and also adds flavor to your coffee. So as you can see, it is beautiful, gorgeous looking, very concentrated coffee here, and definitely very tempting. I am now a fan of more coffee, less milk, and so I tend to use smaller cups. So that's why I keep recommending for those with coffee shops, try and stick to about 12 ounces cups, and absolutely you get better tasting coffee drinks. Okay, so now I'm going to try this. Hindi ko pinod. I thought it was the straw. Anyway, the cinnamon is just here to give it a little bit of a taste. It's not a straw. Very strong coffee, and it's absolutely delicious. I must say that with this type of drinks, the less milk the better, but you must make sure you use warm milk, because then it will dissolve the ice faster. Otherwise you'll be drinking more milk and then you'll be left with only coffee in the end. This is absolutely delicious, and if you do not have vanilla and you simply want to use a little bit of sweetener, you can also use sugar syrup, but it is delicious. Now this one is my honey Kohi Kori. That is also delicious. When I was in Dubai, I tried the honey latte with cinnamon and I really liked it. So that's exactly the inspiration for this blend, which is honey cinnamon Kohi Kori. Well, that's all I have for today. If you have any questions, do let me know, comment below. Do try this at home and share with the community how you find these recipes. In the meantime, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Also check out my books, All Things Milk Tea and The Basic Barista. Details on how to order in the description box below. Take care, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.